This is the Creating Templates tutorial. This will cover creating analysis templates for your evaluation projects. If you find yourself doing a lot of customization to the program for every engagement, you can make those customizations once, and then every time you create a evaluation project, it'll have those customizations in it. Another reason to make a template is to create a financial statement template. For example, if you do a lot of evaluations on banks, you can create a template that has the financial statements of banks already preloaded in it, so you don't have to customize it from scratch. Just to be clear about what's going on here, every time you create a new project, a template is used to create that project from. The program comes with a default template, but you can make as many additional templates as you want. The template consists of the financial statements and all of the schedules in the project. Creating a template is simple. Select the Analysis menu option, select New, and select Template. And you'll be asked to give the template a name. Let's name this template My New Template. Remember, you can have one or more new templates. When you select OK, the template will be created. A copy of the default template will be copied into the new template, so you're always starting from the base of the standard template from the program. Once the template's been created, you can make any changes you like. For example, you may want to have some preset assumptions in every project. Just select the assumptions that you want to have in the project, and the next time you create a file based on this project, they'll be there. You can also go into Excel and customize the schedules in the template. For example, if you wanted to add 10 rows to the business profile so that they appeared in every project you did, you would edit in Excel, add rows to the template, and then save it. Let's see how this works. Now we're in Excel, so let's add a number of rows under valuation date. For example, let's say you had a number of pieces of information you wanted to insert into the schedule that we didn't account for in the default template. So insert a number of rows, and then you could title them. Title 1, Title 2, etc. And you're also going to want to make input cells. The easiest way to do that is copy the ones from above. So hit Edit Copy, Edit Paste. So now we've added 2 new fields. You can make as many changes to the template and as many schedules as you need. Let's hit Return to Program and see how it looks in the program. You'll notice the 2 new input fields are added. Now let's make a couple of changes to the financial statements. Let's go into the Historic Financial Statements and add a couple of categories in operating expenses. You can do anything that you normally do with the financial statements. In other words, you can change the names of existing accounts. For example, contributions might not exist, or you might want to change it to something else. So you could call it My New Account. You can also insert accounts. So under Automobiles, let's say we want to insert an account, and we'll call it My New Account 2. And we'll select OK. You'll see that My New Account 2 has been added. Now remember, we're editing the template. This is the template that all future projects can be based on. So now we want to save it so we can base a project on it. So hit File, Save, and the template will be saved. Now our template's created. Let's see how we create a valuation project based on that template. Select Analysis, New, Analysis, and you'll notice a New Analysis dialog appears. Normally you won't see this dialog. It only appears if there's more than one template. In other words, the standard template for the program comes with the program, and there's no choice if that's the only one there. However, when you add your first new template, this choice will show up. So let's select My New Template and select OK. Now you will get a valuation project based on your new template. Give it a file name, and the program will create a project based on your new template. So now we've created a new project based on the template that we just made. So let's take a look and see if our changes are here. Remember, on the business profile we added a couple of input rows, and there they are. Let's take a look at the financial statements. Under Historic Income Statement, we added a new account under Automobiles, and we also changed contributions to My New Account. They're both here. The power of this should be obvious. You can create templates that have all your customizations in them, so every time you create a project, the customizations are already there. If you have the add-on report writer, you can create customized analysis templates linked to customized report templates and create a final product that's very much focused on your firm's standards, formats, styles, language, etc. Now that you understand the process of creating valuation analysis templates, we encourage you to think about the kind of changes you'd want in your templates. For example, if you value a lot of banks, you may want to create a template that is a financial statement that focuses on the way a bank's financial statement looks. So you don't have to start with the default financial statements every time you create a bank valuation. We encourage you to start with one template and then go on from there. Once you understand how the process works and you've used it for a little while, it's easy to see how you can expand on the concept and create templates for a lot of different needs. This is the end of Creating Templates tutorial.